everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're jumping into part 3 of irregular verbs in English. And listen, if you think you already know these verbs, wait till you see what's inside this video. This video is full of smart patterns and powerful verbs that can seriously level up your English. But only if you stay with me till the very end. And if you missed part 1 or part 2, go watch them later, because together these 3 videos connected like puzzle pieces. Without all of them, you are missing something really important. Alright, let's get started. Group 6. Verbs where the pronunciation changes. Dream, dreamt, dreamt. I dreamt about my grandmother last night. She has dreamt of becoming a teacher since she was young. A collocation, dream of, means to want something or imagine something for the future. For example, she dreams of traveling the world. Deal, dealt, dealt. He dealt with the complaint yesterday. We have dealt with similar problems before. A collocation, deal with, means to manage or solve something. For example, can you deal with this email now? Hear, heard, heard. I heard a noise outside last night. I have heard that song many times. Mean, meant, meant. I meant to send that email earlier. I have never meant to hurt your feelings. A phrase, mean to, means to intend. For example, I meant to call you yesterday, but I forgot. Group 7. In the past tense, I changes to a, and in the past participle, a changes to you. Swim, swam, swum. I swam in the pool yesterday. He has swum in the sea many times. Sink, sank, sunk. The boat sank after the storm. Ships have sunk in that area before. An idiom, sink or swim, means fail or succeed by your own efforts. When you start a new business, it's sink or swim. Sing, sang, sung. She sang at the concert last night. They have sung that song many times. Drink, drank, drunk. I drank a glass of water. He has drunk 3 cups of tea today. Ring, rang, rung. The phone rang at midnight. She has rung him several times today. A phrase, ring a bell, means to sound familiar. For example, his name rings a bell. I think we've met before. Begin, began, begun. The meeting began at 9 a.m. He has begun a new course this month. Group 8. Verbs whose vowels changes to OUGHT or AUGHT. Catch, cut, cut. She cut the ball. I have caught a cold this week. A collocation, catch a cold, means to become ill with a cold. Don't go out without a jacket. You might catch a cold. Bring, brought, brought. He brought his camera to the event. She has brought dessert for everyone. Buy, bought, bought. I bought a new notebook yesterday. They have bought tickets for the concert. Teach, taught, taught. She taught English last year. He has taught many students online. think, thought, thought. I thought about your idea last night. I have thought a lot about moving abroad. Fight, fought, fought. They fought for their rights. She has fought many battles in her career. Group 9. Verbs that have no specific rule. Find, found, found. I found my keys under the couch. She has found the answer already. Sell, sold, sold. He sold his old bike last week. They have sold all the tickets. A phrase, sold out, means when no tickets or products are left. Can you believe it? The concert sold out in just 2 hours. Tell, told, told. She told me this story yesterday. I have told him twice already. Have, had, had. I had breakfast at 8 a.m. She has had a lot of practice. Make, made, made. He made a cake yesterday. She has made great progress this month. Be, was or were, been. Use was with I, he, she, it, and use were with you, we, they. She was very tired after the trip. They were happy last night. I have been busy all day. Go, went, gone. I went to the market yesterday. They have gone to the festival. Do, did, done. I did my homework last night. She has done all the exercises. And the last collocation for the last verb, do your best, means to try as hard as you can. Just do your best on the test. That's all for part 3. Amazing work! We've now mastered all the key irregular verbs plus some useful expressions you can use every single day. But don't stop here. More exciting lessons are coming your way, so stay tuned. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss what's next. And if you want, drop a quick sentence in the comments using today's video. It's a fun way to practice. See you next Friday!